Jill with The Ordered Home, and if you are like me and love this time of year, there are so many activities you can do here in October and November, and one is toast pumpkin seeds. So this video is going to give you some great seasoning ideas and show you how to enjoy your pumpkin seeds and toast them yourselves. To get started, first thing you have to do is have a pumpkin party. Goodness, invite people over, get some pumpkins, get some carving materials out. Of course, make sure you keep it clean and remove your pumpkin seeds. I use a colander for this and place these in the sink. Now this can get a little bit messy with removing all the pulp, but if you have a larger colander and run water through, these seeds will easily separate. After the seeds are clean, you can soak them up to 8 hours or overnight, and this will plump the seeds up, or you can go ahead and towel dry them at this point for roasting. So here, we're going to lay them out on the cookie sheet. You can put this on parchment paper. I do not, because there is an oil that's going to be on here and there should not be any sticking to the sheet. You can toss with an oil of your choice. Olive oil, sesame oil, avocado oil are really good choices. I prefer to use butter with this seasoning that I am doing. It just gives it a nice rich flavor. Now here is the fun part, choosing your seasoning. You can use your own mix. Think of things that you like. Garlic, smoked paprika, chili lime, chili powder, Worcestershire sauce. You just want to do salt and pepper as I'm doing here. That works well. I have listed a bunch of seasoning mixes on my blog at theorderedhome.org. They include ranch, pizza, cinnamon sugar, honey butter and brown sugar. You can use Old Bay seasoning. I have an Asian mixture it's listed. Vinegar, just some sort of a vinegar salt is really nice, and a dill seasoning. Again, you can find these listed at theorderedhome.org. You want to bake these at 300 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Drop the heat down to 250 and roast them for another 40 minutes. I pulled them out every 10-15 minutes, use a spatula to move them around, just kind of adjusting the seasoning to make sure it's balanced. If you have an air fryer, you can cook these for 30 minutes at 300 and rotate them about every 10 minutes with a wooden spoon or spatula. I have not tried the air fryer, but I understand this works really well. I hope you enjoyed these ideas and the seasoning options that I have explained. You can find all of the recipes on my website. It's linked below at theorderedhome.org. And please subscribe for more videos of great ideas such as this one, and share with your friends. Enjoy your pumpkin seeds, but more importantly, enjoy the time with loved ones and friends. Get a happy day. I hope you find order, peace, and love.
People fight, they played the mash. They played the monster mash.